Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Vertex MrRoy. Exercise 5.1 is basically algebraic identities. When we have this sign like three dashes here, and this is 5.1. We have only one important in 5.1 that we will be able to simplify to get the value of variable in identities. The 5.1 will only help us to do exercise 5.2, 5.3, and 5.4, which are remainder theorem, factor theorem, and solving cubic equation. So let's see how we deal with these questions of 5.1. So the first part is what's the method actually when we use the left hand side, the ax minus 2a plus bx minus 4 is equals to this identical same is x plus 2. Actually, in this question, I will write the two methods actually. When first is what? That's what you can do. You can write all the x in one side, ax n plus bx is equals to this x. All the x value, which like all the numbers, all the variable, all the constant having x, I am writing together, and all like here, all the constant terms. Constant terms are here is 2a minus 2a with sign, and minus 4 is equals to 2. This is the one way. Other way is normally this like the teacher explained this. They write, they write x together and all the like x squared together, x together, constant together, and they take common actually. I would like to explain both the methods, what you feel, but I advise this method. X common, so what is left? A plus, no, this is ax and okay, a plus b. And when you write here is coming like this, they compare this x is equal to this x is 1. But this is what, when you have this situation, what you can do, you can just remove all the x you can remove. What is left? A plus b, like coefficient of x is a, the coefficient of x is b, and the coefficient of x is 1. This is the easiest method. Even you can see here, the 1 is here. So a plus b is equals to 1. This is also here. And here you can do like we can find one of the value minus 2a is equals to 2 minus 4 will become 6. So a is equals to 6 upon minus 2 is minus 3. When you have the value of a, you can find, you can put this value here, minus 3 plus b equals to 1 and b is equals to 4, and we have done it. So this is a way like we can simplify, but I would like to like I will prefer this method to use. Okay, question number 2, the same method. That's what we can do. We have cube, square, and x. So in second part, what I do, x cubed minus 2x squared plus 4x and plus 3. The right hand side will be when we multiply with x with all the numbers. So first we multiply this x with all the numbers. Then 1 minus 1 with all the numbers. So x multiplied x squared is x cubed and minus x squared plus ax. When we multiply with minus 1, it's coming minus x squared and minus minus is plus x and minus a, and we need to copy b. So like this is once again I would like to say this, I don't need to rearrange everything. This x cube is here, there is x cube and both are same, we do not need to compare. X squared is here left hand side, and right hand side we have x squared in two sides, and you just see x squared minus 2x squared, the x squared is also same. We don't need to compare because there is no unknown value. But when you move to this part x, this x, you can see there is this x and there is this x. So it means we can write all the x together. This 4x is equal to ax plus x. The easiest method is what is we can write without x. Coefficient of x is 4 is equals to a, and the coefficient of x is 1. So we can get the value a is coming 3. This is one of the way like easiest method. When you write only the constant terms, so 3 is equals to, only constant terms are minus a and plus b. So you can just put the value of a from here, and minus 3 plus b, and b is coming 6. So this is the way we have done question number 2. In question number 3, when you see like here, we have an option here. 3. What you can do in 3 is 2x cube. We need to multiply here, so we need to, I think so, we need the space here to do all the questions, all the parts. So what you can do now? We need to multiply all, like we have to just, first of all, we have to multiply everything. Okay, now just I'm doing multiplication now, question number 3. In question number 3, 2x cube minus 6x and plus 5. Remember, when there is no x square, it means the coefficient is 0. This is very important thing to say. So now this is equal, I did x multiply with everything. So x is 2x cube, x with a is ax squared, and with 2x, and now minus 2 will multiply with all this bracket. So it's coming minus 2 is minus 4x cube squared minus 2ax and minus 4 and then plus b we need to copy. Okay, we do not need to rearrange. I just told you x cube. You can write one thing. The x cube, 2x cube is equals to 2x cube. Even we don't need to write actually, but we have done it because there is nothing to find here. So I am not writing x cube now. In this side we have x squared. I am writing x squared. Please, this is very important part. X squared is there. This is x squared minus 4x squared. We can do it. Huh? And what we can write? We can write 0x squared here because there is no x squared here. One thing. It means I am writing x squared, all the x squared. Now I want to write all the x. So for all the x, what we can do? X is minus 6x is equals to 2x minus 2ax. That's it. And then constant term you can write plus 5 is equal to, we have only minus 4 and plus b. Actually, there are so many possibilities to simplify here. I think so. When you want to use this one, you can use, we write all the coefficient of x squared. 0 equals to a minus 4. So a is coming, 4, done. Then you can use this equation, either this equation. This, if you use this equation, this 5 minus 4 will become plus 4. B is equals to 9. Even we don't need to move here actually because we got the value of A and B. Even if you want to find, you can do one thing. Minus 6 is equals to 2 minus 2a. We are writing all the coefficient. Minus 8 is equals to minus 2a. And when you divide this, a is coming still 4. So we don't need to do this actually. We have done it. Okay. Moving to question number 4. In question number 4, this is only the, like, we need to multiply all right hand side and left hand side, arrange in a simple algebraic expression. Is identical is x multiply the whole ax cube. Then we write minus 3x squared and plus bx minus 3ax squared minus minus is plus 3 times 9a 9x only, if I'm not wrong. Okay, 3ax square minus 9x and minus 3b. There is nothing here outside. Now, all the cubes you can write, we can write all the cubes as x cube is equals to, only here one cube. Yes, this is equals to ax cube. And you can get the value of a is coming 1. Okay, then moving to square. If it's up to you, we don't need to write all these cubes square x. When you need something, you can use x squared is equals to minus 3x squared and minus 3ax squared. This is just to explain you actually. And you can write x is equals, like x value minus x is equals to bx plus bx and plus 9x. And when you want to write all the constant term, you can write 30 is equals to, there is no constant term except this minus 3. This is b. A is here and b you can get, b is coming minus 10. I think that is enough to find, and we do not use these like expressions to find. Even if you want to do it, 6 is equals to minus 3 and minus 3a, all the coefficient of x squared. This minus 3 is equals to minus 3a and a is coming 1. The answer is same like here. Even you can get the value of b from here when you wish. Minus 1 is equals to b plus 9, and b is equals to minus 10 because same value. So let's see. Next part we are doing question number 5. 6x cubed minus 5x squared minus 3x plus 2 is identical x multiplied with ax cubed and plus bx squared and plus cx. We have three values to find: ax squared minus bx and minus c. So we can write x cubed, like 6x cubed is equal to only one time cube. So the a is coming 6. We got the value of a. Then minus 5, okay, what we need, c is coming directly. You can observe b, x, x, all x. B, c is directly coming. 2 is equal to c. You can just observe one thing, because there is no other constant term except the c. So, no, one thing, very important. Minus c is equals to 2 and c is equals to minus 2. I'm sorry, okay? A is 6, C is this. We need to find the value B only. B is, you can use, I think so. It's okay. We can use squared. This is squared is equal to bx squared and minus ax squared. Without coefficient, just writing the value of A is 6. So B is coming, minus is will move and right. Left hand side is coming 1, and we got the value. Even if you want to use this one, like minus 3x is equals to cx and minus bx. We will have the same value, only coefficient I'm writing c minus b, and c is minus 2, and b, if you want to find b, b is coming minus 3 plus 2 is equals to minus b, and b is equals to only minus 1 and minus b is 1. This is the same way. We don't need to use this. Question number 6, like we're doing, x squared plus x and plus capital A is equals to x multiply. We need to multiply, so x squared and minus x and plus ax and minus a plus b. What we do, x squared and x squared are same. We don't need to write. X is equals to x minus x and plus ax, and a is equals to minus a and plus b. Okay, let's see. We have two relations here. What we can do? Coefficient 1 is equals to minus 1 plus a. A is coming 2. And 2 is equals to minus 2 plus b, and b is coming 4. I mean, there is nothing, just to use the method to use identities actually to help 5.2, 5.3, and 5.4. In 7 is coming 3x squared plus 6x and minus 4. So P we cannot multiply, we have to expand by using perfect square formula. X squared minus 2 qx plus q squared plus r. We need to multiply with px squared minus 2 pqr, sorry, is x, and plus pq squared and plus r. In this, what you can do, you can compare the square with px squared because there's no x squared, and the p is coming 3. And then 6x you can write with only minus 2 p, q, and x. Coefficient of x, when you write x without x, p and q. So when you put the value of p is like 3, the q will be minus 6, and 6 upon minus 6 is minus 1. So q value is minus 1. And when you need to find the value of r, what you can do, you can compare this minus 4 is equals to pq square plus r. This is not x squared, it's q squared. Put all the values. P is like 3, q is minus 1, and r is required. This is minus 4. So minus 4 is equals to minus 1 squared is positive is 3 plus r, and r is coming minus 4 and minus is minus 7. There are possible mistakes because I'm doing a little bit fast. In question number 8 and 9, I think so just we need to multiply everything. In 8, what we have to do in 8? I just want to give the hint in the right hand side that you should multiply this whole bracket by this first, and the result will multiply with this part. I mean, this is a way. Here we use a perfect square formula and multiply this is the same way. So by this way, we have done exercise 5.1. I hope this you like my video. If you yes, please share with your friends. Share with your class fellows so that they can do at home easily. So thank you so much and have a nice day.